Kalpasan na bimisita ni General William Faulkner kay Real Admiral Ramon Espera iti Tepeng Elementary School para bisitahin di kiti mararamid a proyekto nga kwarto o pagadalan ket detoy nga nagdiretso iti grupo ti Barangay Kimmalugong. Ditaan na aramid ti recognition ceremony ti MEDCAP wenno Medical and Dental Civic Action Program iti USRP Balikatan. Naaramid tinasao nga programa DJ Dean Leopoldo Yabes Memorial School, Barangay Kimmalugong, Sinait, Ilocosur. Inatendaran met daytoy dagiti local officials ti probinsya tayo nga Ilocosur. Ket dita ang nagkikinnamayat ti media para agdamag maipanggep ti Balikatan ken ni Brigade General Faulkner ket detoy tinakunana.
It's really been terrific. The people of the Philippines have opened up their houses, they've opened up their hearts to us. And not only primarily do we provide that needed care, but we're also able to get very valuable training. When we're here, we're going to abide by, obviously, by Philippine customs. We're very respectful of the Filipino people, and we're going to behave as professionally as we can. And of course, we have our own code of conduct. We could not have been more warmly welcomed to the Philippines, and that goes for the entire U.S. Joint Task Force for Balikatan. Everyone has opened their hearts. We're enjoying ourselves. We're getting valuable training. So we are well on our way to make this the best Balikatan ever. The best of the last 25. Of course, this is the 26th year that we've done the exercise. And we're just really continuing to build year after year. And I think Admiral Espera will tell you they're getting better and better. We just saw that at the elementary school that we're building 5 minutes up the street at Tepeng.
Anyamit nga tati makuna dagiti kritikar tinasao nga Balikatan.
Yung mga kumokontra naman dito, alam naman natin kung sino 'yon, no? But I think the Balikatan is good for us. We are learning from the US, and we are developing our interoperability in terms of operations, not only military operations but like here in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief.
Hanpay lang nga daytoy ti maudi nga pinangtulong kadatayo dagiti grupo ti Balikatan. Taaddan to pay maangay nga turnover dagiti kwarto nga pagadalan ken dagiti dadduma pay nga intedda kadatayo. Ken iwalwalo tayo kumapay. Taag soblidan to pay ditoy probinsya tayo tadakkel nga tulong ti Balikatan kadatayo. Para ti Press Corps, Ryan Pardo.